Day 4, take 4, 5, 6, something like that. Hi guys. I've been out in the garage for a little bit. I had kind of a snow day. We lost internet for a little while. So what I did was I climbed underneath the Jeep and I managed to get that oil pan off. And if you take a look, you can see there's quite a difference between the old oil pan and the new oil pan. You notice the oil drain holes used to be in the same place. That's the exact same oil pan. I know it's kind of hard to believe, but because of rock and the way that I drive, my oil pan was pretty bashed in. That was the reason I wanted to replace it. Now, I knew I had a problem with it, so I did go ahead and purchase a heavy-duty TJLJ40 oil pan skid plate from TerraFlex, and that baby is thick. You can tell it's a quality-made part, and that's going to go on over this new oil pan about like so, and that will protect it from the rock in the future. We shouldn't get any more bashed in type of oil pan situation, and that actually could save my ass out on the trail. So it's for 120 bucks and some change, it's well worth it. Of course, while I put the new pan on, I'm going to install this Fel-Pro oil pan gasket, and I'll run a bead of gasket maker down on either side of the gasket. I'll put it on the pan, put the gasket on, and then run a bead on top of it before I seal it back to the motor and bolt it on. And after I get that done, pretty much all I have to do after that is reinstall the exhaust, which I do have the parts all for, and it's ready to go. I just have to clean up those edges a little bit, and so I should be running this evening. Dump some more oil in it, right? Hope to see you soon.